Have you ever felt like you were on the edge, staring into the abyss, wondering if you could ever rise again? What if I told you that even in your darkest moments, a comeback isn't just possible, it's waiting for you? This is a story of one incredible journey. A journey of resilience, of losing everything and finding strength in places she never imagined. It's a reminder that no matter how broken we feel, the human spirit has an extraordinary power to rebuild itself. Let me introduce you to Sarah. She wasn't born with any special powers, just a regular woman with big dreams, hopes, and a bright future. But life had other plans. Just like so many of us, Sarah faced some serious struggles. The difference was in how she handled them. While most would have given up, Sarah chose to turn her struggles into the fuel for the most remarkable comeback of her life. A few years ago, Sarah's life fell apart. She lost her job, her home, and even her sense of purpose. But the emotional weight was the hardest to bear. The self-doubt, the loneliness, and the overwhelming feeling that her dreams were slipping away. There were days she couldn't even imagine how she would get through. But in those moments, Sarah realized something life-changing. Her story wasn't over. She had a choice: stay defeated or rise again. And rise she did. One quiet morning, as Sarah sat in her small, dimly lit apartment, she had a moment of clarity. She remembered something her grandmother once told her. In every setback, there's a lesson. In every failure, there's strength. In that instant, everything clicked. The universe had whispered those words into her heart just when she needed them most. She realized that she wasn't a victim of her circumstances. She was the creator of her own story. She made a decision to embrace her struggle, face her fears, and push forward no matter the odds. Over the next few months, Sarah took it one step at a time. She started by re-establishing a daily routine, waking up earlier, exercising, making time for positivity. Slowly, her mindset began to shift. She found the courage to apply for jobs, even though each rejection felt like a blow to her spirit. But each rejection taught her something valuable. She learned that failure wasn't the end. It was simply a stepping stone on the path to her comeback. And then one day, everything changed. Sarah received a phone call. It wasn't just another job offer. It was an opportunity to work with a startup that valued her skills, her resilience, and her heart. This was the turning point, the moment she had been working for, the moment when all her hard work and perseverance started to pay off. Fast forward to today. Sarah is not just financially stable, she's thriving. And beyond that, she's become a mentor, helping others who are struggling to find their way. Sarah's story proves that no matter how many times life knocks you down, your story is never over. It's just the beginning of something even more powerful than before. But Sarah's success didn't come without sacrifices. It didn't come easy. She had to work hard, face late nights, and make tough choices. She learned to trust her own voice, believe in the process, and understand that every setback was only pushing her closer to her dream. Her story is a testament to the power of resilience, a reminder that no matter how far we fall, we have the ability to rise again. The only thing standing between us and our comeback is the decision to keep going. So if you're watching this right now and you feel like you've lost everything, I want you to hear this. Your comeback is waiting for you. It's waiting for you to take that first step, to rise above the pain and to believe in the strength you carry inside. Just like Sarah, you have the power to rewrite your own story. Don't let setbacks define you. Embrace the struggle, trust the process, and never stop believing that your comeback is closer than you think. If Sarah's story has inspired you, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your own comeback story. What challenges have you faced, and how have you turned them into strength? If you're still on your journey, know that you're not alone. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories of resilience and transformation. Remember, the ripple effect starts with you, and your story is just beginning.